Hey there! Want to make money on YouTube? Let me show you how. It's easier than you think. Seriously, stop scrolling, because this video is about to change your life. You're probably thinking, Franklin, making money on YouTube? That's for like, massive celebrities or people who got lucky. Wrong! I'm here to tell you that anyone, and I mean anyone, including you, can turn your passion into paychecks on this platform. It's not some magic trick, it's a system, a strategy, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step, no fluff, just the real deal. Forget everything you think you know about needing expensive gear or 1 million subscribers from day one. That's old news. The game has changed, and the barrier to entry is lower than ever. We're talking about leveraging what you already have. Your interests, your personality, and yeah, probably that smartphone in your pocket right now, to build something incredible. This isn't just about getting a few bucks, this is about building a brand, an audience, and a sustainable income stream, doing something you actually enjoy. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me because I'm about to blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap, a beginner's guide to conquering YouTube, and making it rain. We're going to cover everything from finding your perfect niche, to creating killer content, growing your audience like wildfire, and finally the best part, monetizing your channel in ways you probably haven't even thought of. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, hit that like button, and let's dive into how you can make serious money on YouTube. This is going to be insane. Alright, first things first, before you even think about hitting record, we need to figure out your niche. This is literally the foundation of your entire YouTube empire. You can't just make videos about random stuff and expect to get anywhere. You need to pick something you're genuinely passionate about. I'm talking about something you could talk about for hours. Something that gets you excited. Something you do even if you weren't getting paid for it. Why? Because making YouTube videos is work, and if you don't love your topic, you're going to burn out faster than a candle in a hurricane. Trust me on this one. Think about it. What are your hobbies? What are you good at? What do your friends always ask you for advice on? It could be anything. Maybe you're a god-tier gamer, ready to show off your skills or review the latest releases. Perhaps you're a whiz with personal finance and can teach people how to save and invest. That's huge right now. Or maybe you're a makeup guru, a cooking expert, a fitness fanatic, or you just live a really interesting life and want to vlog about it. The possibilities are literally endless. Don't just think about what's popular, think about what can bring to the table. Your passion is your superpower here because it fuels consistency. And consistency, let me tell you, is king on YouTube. The algorithm loves it, your audience expects it. If you're genuinely excited about what you're creating, churning out videos regularly won't feel like a chore. It'll be something you look forward to. That energy, that enthusiasm, it's infectious. Viewers can tell when you're faking it, and they can definitely tell when you're genuinely hyped about your content. So dig deep, find that spark, and choose a niche that you can commit to for the long haul. And one more thing on niches, don't be afraid to niche down. Instead of just gaming, maybe it's retro RPG speedruns or indie horror game reviews. Instead of cooking, maybe it's vegan baking for beginners or 30-minute meals for busy parents. The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract a dedicated audience that's looking for exactly what you offer. Do a little research, see what's out there, find a gap, and make it yours. This is where you lay the groundwork for serious cash. Okay, you've picked your niche, you're fired up, and now it's time to actually make some videos. And I can already hear some of you, but Franklin, I don't have a fancy camera, I don't have professional lights, I don't have a studio. Guess what? You don't need any of that stuff to start. Seriously, that expensive gear obsession is one of the biggest myths holding people back. Your smartphone, the one you're probably watching this on, is an absolute beast. The camera quality on phones these days is insane, and it's more than enough to create amazing, high-quality content that people will love. The most important thing isn't the gear, it's your content, your energy, and a few simple tricks. Lighting? Find a window. Natural light is your best friend, and it's free. Just face the window when you film. Audio? Try to record in a quiet space. Minimize background noise. If you can, even a cheap lavalier microphone that clips onto your shirt and plugs into your phone will make a huge difference in sound quality. Stability? Don't give your viewers motion sickness. Prop your phone up against some books, get a tiny tripod, anything to keep the shot steady. These small things elevate your videos from amateur to awesome. Now let's talk about what you're actually filming. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal court. You need to provide value. Are you entertaining people? Are you teaching them something new? Are you inspiring them? Plan your videos. You don't need a full Hollywood script, but have some bullet points, an outline, an idea of where you're going. Think about your hook. How are you going to grab their attention in the first 5 to 10 seconds? What's the payoff for watching your entire video? Always put yourself in the viewer's shoes. And then there's editing. Don't let this scare you. There are so many free and low-cost editing apps and software out there for both your phone and computer. CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, iMovie, the list goes on. You don't need to be a Hollywood editor. Learn the basics, how to cut out mistakes, add some text on screen, maybe some simple background music. The goal is to keep your video engaging and to the point. Watch your own videos back. Would you keep watching? If not, figure out why and fix it. This is where you polish your diamond. Chapter 3, Step 3, getting those views. You've got your niche, you're making awesome videos. Now we need people to watch them. This is where the magic of audience growth comes in, and trust me, there are some serious secrets to this. First, up titles. Your video title is like the headline of a newspaper or the cover of a magazine. It has to grab attention. It needs to be so compelling that people can't resist clicking. Use strong keywords that people are actually searching for. Add numbers like top 5 mistakes, or I tried X for 30 days, create curiosity, make a bold claim, ask a question. How I made $10,000 in my first month is way better than my YouTube journey. Next, and just as important, are your thumbnails. If your title is the headline, your thumbnail is the giant glossy photo next to it. It needs to scream, "Click me." We're talking bright colors, clear, high-quality images, maybe your face with an expressive emotion, and some bold, easy-to-read text that complements the title. Scroll through YouTube. What thumbnails catch your eye? Study them, test different styles. A great thumbnail can literally be the difference between 10 views and 10,000 views. Don't be lazy with your thumbnails, they are critical. Then there's the stuff happening behind the scenes. Keywords and YouTube SEO, search engine optimization. Yes, YouTube is a massive search engine, second only to Google. So, you need to think like someone searching for your content. What words and phrases would they type into that search bar? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or VidiQ, some have free versions, to find relevant, high-traffic keywords in your niche. And then sprinkle those keywords naturally in your video title, your video description, make it detailed, and your video tags. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about and show it to the right people. Finally, the 2 C's: consistency and community. You need to post regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily if you can manage it, without sacrificing quality. Pick a schedule and stick to it. Your audience will start to expect your uploads. And then, engage with that audience. Reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, run polls, go live. Build a community around your channel. These aren't just viewers, they're your supporters, your fans, the people who will help you grow. Treat them like gold because they are. Chapter 4, Step 4, Cha-ching! Making money the fun part. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. How to actually make money from all your hard work. The most well-known way is through the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. This is where YouTube places ads on your videos, and you get a cut of that ad revenue. To qualify for the YPP, you currently need 2 main things: at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. It might sound like a mountain to climb, but with a great niche, consistent quality content, and smart growth strategies, you can get there. I've seen channels hit these numbers surprisingly fast. Once you're in the YPP, you'll start seeing ad revenue roll in. How much? Well, it varies. It depends on things like your video topic. Some niches pay more per ad view, called CPM or RPM, the types of ads shown, where your viewers are from, and how many of them actually watch or click the ads. It might start small, a few dollars here and there, but as your views and subscriber count grow, so does your ad revenue. Imagine getting paid every time someone watches one of your videos. It's a pretty awesome feeling, and it's totally scalable. More views, more money, simple as that. But listen up, because this is huge. Ad revenue is just one piece of the puzzle. Relying solely on ads is a rookie mistake. There are so many other ways to monetize your YouTube channel, often even more lucrative. Let's talk affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services that you genuinely use and love. And when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, usually in your video description, you earn a commission. Think about products related to your niche: gaming gear, software, beauty products, books, online courses. It's a win-win. Your audience gets good recommendations and you get paid, and it doesn't stop there. As your audience grows and they start to trust you and your brand, you can explore even more income streams. You can create and sell your own merchandise. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, anything with your channel logo or catchphrases. You can land sponsorships where brands pay you to feature their product or service in your videos. You could create premium content, like online courses or exclusive videos for channel members. The sky is the limit once you've built that loyal community. This is how YouTubers go from making a bit of side cash to building multi-million-dollar businesses. The truth is, every big YouTuber started small, just like you. Every single one of them. They all had 0 subscribers at one point. They all made cringy first videos, and they all doubted themselves. But they kept going, they learned, they adapted, and they grew. The journey to making money on YouTube isn't an overnight sprint, it's a marathon. But with passion, consistency, and the strategies we talked about today, you absolutely have what it takes to succeed. Don't let fear or a lack of fancy gear hold you back. Your voice, your ideas, your unique perspective, that's what matters. So take what you've learned from this video and start. Pick that niche, film that first video, or your next one with these tips in mind, and start building your audience. It won't always be easy, there will be challenges, but the potential rewards, doing what you love, connecting with amazing people, and yes, making some serious money, are totally worth it. Keep going, keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. You've got this. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too. This is your time. And hey, if you want more smart money tips, more YouTube growth hacks, and more motivation to build your online empire, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. We're just getting started on this journey together, and I've got so much more to share with you. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go make some money.